My name is David Hayes. I'm the Chief of Resources here at Lava Beds and Tule Lake National Monuments, and I've been asked to speak a little bit about fire ecology on our landscape. In the American West and in many places on the planet, one of the principal disturbances on the landscape that the plants and animals have had to deal with for millennia is fire. In our ecosystem, which is basically a Great Basin ecosystem, a mix of shrubs and grasses and woodlands that sort of grades at higher elevations into forests, fire is a very common disturbance. It's one of the principal disturbances of this landscape. Each of those plant communities has a different period of return or interval between fires naturally, especially because of indigenous use of fire culturally. So there's a real diversity of both how often fire is on our landscape now, how often it was in the past, and what that has done to change the dynamic of what is growing where now. Overall, we have a lot more shrubs and woody species of plants than we probably did historically or prehistorically. Because of these changes, we're also seeing changes in fire behavior when we finally do get a fire. That's something a lot of people are aware of, that more than 100 years of fire suppression has really changed the balance of what vegetation's on the landscape and how much there is. So what we should expect here, although response to this fire is going to be a little unpredictable because of things like exotic invasive weeds that we have in the seedbed waiting to sprout in some areas. What we should expect to see after this burn is some of our plants are re-sprouters. They have lots of energy in their roots and they're able to grow that above ground biomass, as we call it, the stuff that burned off. Just re-sprout from the roots they have, and they didn't die, and they're going to come back lush and green. That includes a lot of our native bunch grasses. Again, they're adapted to fire. And then some of our shrubs can actually come back. Not our sage, but some of our cherry species and currant species, they should be coming back from the roots. Other plants, we're dependent on their seeds. So the parent plant is dead or burned off, and we just need some snow and rain, and hopefully in the spring we'll start seeing seedlings of some species coming back. Most of our wildflowers are re-sprouters, not reseeders. So in theory, we get some good rain this winter or snow this winter, and we should see a lush carpet of young growth come spring.